Hello, this is Jayashree from D3. I am going to discuss about governor functioning as a chancellor of universities. As per All India Survey 2019 to 20, 85% of the students enrolled in state public universities. Coming to YE News. The recent scenario is about West Bengal's government decision to make the chief minister as a chancellor of the state-run universities instead of the governor. Similar instances were there in the governments of Tamil Nadu and Kerala. Role of governor in the universities. State universities. The governor of the state is the ex officio chancellor of the universities in that state. As chancellor, he acts independently of council of ministers and takes his own decisions on all university matters. According to UGC regulations 2018, the vice chancellor of a university is appointed by a visitor or chancellor, recommended by search committee. Central University. Under the Central Universities Act 2009, the President of India shall be the visitor of a central university. The Vice Chancellor is appointed by the President on the recommendation of search committee. Constitutional provisions of governor functioning as a chancellor. Under Article 163 subclause 1 of the Constitution has two interpretations for the functioning of governor as a chancellor. First, the governor, even as a chancellor, must act on the aid and advice of the Council of Ministers. In Shamsher Singh versus State of Punjab, the Supreme Court said that all functions discharged by governor would be based on the aid and advice of the Council of Ministers. Now, issues with the governor acting as a chancellor. We have seen West Bengal's government decision to make CM as a chancellor of the university rather than governor. Nabam Rebia versus Deputy Speaker. In this case, the court said that the discretion of the governor has to be limited and not arbitrary. Recommendations. The Sarkaria Commission and Punchi Commission highlighted that state legislature should avoid conferring statutory powers on the governor which were not envisaged by the Constitution. Punchi Commission highlighted that role of governor as a chancellor may expose the office of criticism. Hence, the role of governor should be envisaged by the constitutional provisions only. Thank you.